Help with internships. Hey guys. I wanted some advice on what to do. I have an internship offer that I accepted with a large firm in my state for the summer. However, I just received an offer for another smaller out-of-state company that I really want to take. Is there a way to turn down the one that I have already accepted, or should I continue with it?
Yeah, there is a way to do it. You just say, "Hey, I got a better opportunity. Yeah, I'm gonna have to back out." But question is, do you really want to do that? I mean, what is making this other one better? Is it better pay, more interesting work? Which one are you more likely to want to work for after you graduate? Because that's where the relationship is important. So, um, you're not burning a bridge if you say no to the second company. You are burning a bridge if you back out of your internship offer with the first company. How far along are you in with the first company? I think you said you're just in with a background screen. Um, I said in the comments, is the second one a slam dunk better than the first? How likely will it be that you get a return offer from them? And would you want to work for them in their location in the future? You're probably going to be placed on the don't hire list at the first company if you renege. But if you're okay with that, it's as simple as sending an email that explains you're going in a different direction and thanking them for the offer. That being said, did you sign anything for the first one? He said the only thing they've done so far is start a background check. I said, I mean, it's your call, but if you feel like it's a better opportunity, I go for the second one. It's not like the companies keep a list of bad interns or anything and share it with other companies in the industry. Did you get the internship through school? You may get a scolding from your career center. Um, you got the first internship through a career fair, and then the second one is a little bit more unique. Yeah, I mean, here's the thing. I think you got to play the long game here because really, what's the point of internships? Getting experience and getting yourself hireable. So if you renege from the first one, you're not going to be able to get a job from them after you graduate. So think about that. And if you're okay with that, then you can do it. But just do it knowing that you're not going to be able to go back to them and get a job later. They're not going to hire you again because you're a flight risk. You've already demonstrated it. So yeah, please let us know which one you choose though, and how it works out for you though, because I hope that I hope that whichever one you take is the best one for you. So really, I mean, it's your choice, but just make the choice knowing what the consequences are. But you can definitely do it. You
Thank
can
you so
definitely
much
quit.
for watching this segment of the Engineering Success Podcast. If you liked it, make sure to check out the other videos down below that are recommended to you. And if you really like the podcast, make sure to subscribe right down there in the middle. We really appreciate it. It's free to you and helps us a lot out. And last but not least, the best way to help the show grow is to comment down below. So leave your comment if you have any thoughts about this segment.
Chasing payments, still playing in the basement while I'm working on arrangements. They heard the kid in 50 countries, thank God that's amazing. But I'd rather thank Spotify, they put me on the station.